In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a shortcut in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful way to make your favorite website easier to access right from your Edge homepage. Whether you want instant access to a work tool, social media site, email, or any page you visit often, creating a shortcut can save you time every single day. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and make sure you're on the home page or a new tab page. On this page, you'll see an option that says Add Shortcut, and it usually looks like a plus icon. Click that plus icon to begin creating your new shortcut. Once the shortcut window opens, you'll see a field where you can give your shortcut a name. This is the label that will appear on your Edge homepage, so choose something simple and easy to recognize. For example, you can name it after the website, app, or page you want to open quickly. After that, move to the URL field and paste or type the full web address of the site you want to add. Make sure the link is correct because this is the page Edge will open whenever you click the shortcut. If you're not sure, double check the address before continuing. Once the name and URL are filled in, click Add. Microsoft Edge will now create the shortcut and place it on your homepage for easy access. And that's it. Your shortcut is now ready to use. The next time you open Edge, you can simply click that shortcut and go straight to the website without typing the address again. This is a really simple trick, but it can make browsing much faster and more organized, especially if you use the same websites all the time. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, helpful tips, and beginner-friendly tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.